door-to-door installation in car park. Power front, rotating bracket. This is the signal stick. So the box and M3. Okay, you can see this is the gear stick. This is the bracket. One hand. It must be this hard because avoid the shaking, right? So one hand is not suitable for turning. Okay, never mind. So let's see this signal. And signal. Back. This signal is still usable. Same. I don't have key now. Later we try. And power front. See, it's not open. Close. Close it. Okay. Open again. Still can use this button to close it. Okay. Alignment. Thanks.
If you guys like our video, please share it out. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell button to get notification for our upcoming video.